Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Ankush again. So today I will create a lab on internal load balancer and currently I have created three virtual machines. One is VM1, it has no public IP, then VM2, it do not have any public IP. Plus I have created one VM3. I will use it as a testing server or jump box. And that is why I have given the public IP because if these two machines do not have any public IP, then I can't able to connect these virtual machines. I can only able to connect these virtual machine using Bastion, but Bastion is not required currently. So I had created a virtual machine tree, a jump box, or I can say testing server to access these servers. Also, I will create an internal load balancer, and it do not have any public IP. And this internal load balancer, this all these three VMs are present under VNet default subnet. So now let me create an internal load balancer. So now we can see this is VM1. It do not have any public IP. VM2, it also do not have any public IP. This is a testing server or jump box. VM3, I have given the public IP to access this virtual machine using RDP. So now my task is to create a load balancer, internal load balancer. So I will keep standard. This is the resource group, and I will give the name like internal load balancer, and I will keep the SKU like standard because I want to transfer the traffic to virtual machines and I do not want the traffic to transfer to virtual appliances. And type is internal and tier is regional because I had only used East US. So it is all the virtual machines are present in the same region, that is East US. So now front end IB configuration. So I will type it here, front end IP. And virtual network, I have selected VNet, and subnet, I will use the same default. Assignment, I will keep it static because if I will use the dynamic, the IP address will change, and I will provide the IP address also. So just a second. So let me check the IP address for virtual machines, then I will provide the IP address by myself. So that working. Yeah, the IP address is 10.0.0.4, and let me check for this one. 5, and I think this one has 6. Yeah, 6. So I have selected the static, so I will assign the IP address by myself. I will provide the IP address 7. And I will keep the zone redundant, or I will use it no zone. Or just I will select zone redundant. It is fine. I had explained in the last video what is the difference between no zone, redundant, 1, 2, 3, everything. Now in backend pool, I will select the NIC and I will give the name backend pool. Here I will select both the virtual machines, VM1, VM2, then save. Then inbound rules. So here, this is the main like this is the main rule for the load balancer. So I will create a rule for internal load balancer. I will select IPv version 4 front end. I have already created the front end, so I will select this one. Backend pool. I have already created a backend pool. High availability ports. So the high availability ports means like it enables load balancing on all ports. like for TCP and UDP. So I do not select this one. I only use this TCP. Port I will select 80 because I want the like HTTP connection. Backend port should be 80 and the health pro, let me create it. So now it will use TCP protocol port 80. Interval is 5 seconds. After like 5 seconds, it will check the health for this for the VMs. Session persistence, I do not need it because I don't want to create a session affinity or session persistence. Inbound rule, I don't need because I do not want any internet on these internal load balancers. Then outbound route, no need because I do not need any connections to the internet. So now it is create deploying. So now my load balancer has been created or deployed. So now let me connect with the virtual machine testing server first, and then I will install IAS on both the VMs. Okay, so now my testing server is up. So let me do the RDP to my virtual machine 1 and virtual machine 2 to enable the IAS service. So it has public IP 10.0.0.4. So I'm accessing the VM1. So I have connected with this 10.0.0.4. This is my VM1 and it's under the jump box or testing server. So now it's working, very working. So my server manager is up on the VM1. So let me install the IS service on this VM. So I will check this box because I'm installing the like this IS service. So the VM will restart automatically. So it will save our time. So till this IES is installing, let me try to connect with my other server also. It has 10.0.0.5. Yeah, ID password is same. So we can see this is my 52. This is the testing server, and 10.0.0.4. This is the virtual machine one. It's inside the VNet, and 10.0.0.5. This is the virtual machine two. And currently, I'm installing IIS service on this VM1 10.0.0.4. Now I have to install IIS service on this VM2 10.0.0.5. So the server manager is ready on the VM2 also. So let me install the IIS service on this one also. I will select this restart. So let's check. IIS service has been installed. Or yeah, it is installed. So now let me restart this VM1. Okay, so now this the VM2, the IIS service is still installing. So let us wait. And after this service will get installed, I will also restart both the VMs. Okay, the service has been installed. So let me restart this VM also. Okay, so currently, till now, I have installed IIS service on both the virtual machines, VM1 and VM2, and also I have restarted both the virtual machines. So I will pause the video for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will reconnect these servers. Okay, so both the VMs have been restarted. So let me try to connect with VM1 first. Also, I will connect with VM2. So on VM1, let me change the page. So I'm using here, I'm typing here VM1 so that we can make the, so with that we can understand the difference, which is VM1 and which is VM2. So I'm using here 24. Yeah. Okay. And let me I will close this window. Okay. Now I will go to VM2 and do the same thing. Okay. So let's save it. Right. So now I have, now let me close it and let me check like let me check like whether the internal load balancer is working fine or not. So let me try to open up the, let me try to open up, run the, try to open up the website. So give me a second. So now in order to check the like working of load balancer, I have to use this front-end IP address that is 10.0.0.7. It is private. So we can't able to you connect this. We can't able to access the servers from the external network because currently I am in the different location and these both the servers plus a testing server, they are in the East US. So the testing will only work or only possible by connecting with the junk server and or I can say jump box server or testing server, and then I can able to do the testing. So let me try it. So currently it will not work. Let me show you why. Okay, yeah. So it is working. So it has already been configured. So I apologize. So currently, if we can see, it is currently it is working because it is on the same subnet, but like same VNet. It but if we are using public load balancer, then we also have to enable the HTTP port. Right now, we are using internal load balancer, and it's in the same virtual network. So for say in the same virtual network, all the machines can communicate easily. So that is why we don't need any NSG. We don't need to allow the NSG port like for 80 for HTTP connection. So now the load balancer is working fine. So let me try to open it in the incognito meeting. So currently it is going for VM2. So now what I will do, I will turn off the VM2. So I'm stopping the virtual machine second. So let us see now what does this load balancer will do. So yeah, so we can see it has transferred the traffic to VM1. So if so now it will only transfer the traffic to VM1 till the VM2 will up. So today lab has been completed from my end. So today I did the this internal load balancer lab. And please like, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel also. Thank you and have a good day.